Beyond the familiar glow of stars and nebulae, a far vaster and quieter cosmos is thought to exist. It is a realm not of light, but of influence, a universe of unseen substance, an unfelt force that silently shapes all that is known. Tales from the deepest cosmic observations speak of a profound mystery, an invisible architecture, and a pervasive energy that affect the grand celestial motions. This is a story not of what is seen, but of what is inferred through its subtle, powerful, and enduring effects. It is a contemplative journey into the great dark components of the cosmos, the silent majority of existence whose nature remains a deep and resonant enigma. Legend speaks of the great star cities, the spiral galaxies, turning slowly in the void. Their outer stars, however, appear to move with an unaccountable swiftness, a speed that should send them spinning off into the darkness. Yet they hold their course as if influenced by a force far greater than the visible matter can account for. This observation hints at a vast, invisible halo of substance, a phantom structure of immense mass surrounding the galaxy. It is a silent, heavy presence, felt but never seen, holding the starry wheel together and posing the question, what is this unseen mass that stabilizes the galaxies? This unseen presence reveals itself not just in motion, but in the very path of light itself. In the deep cosmic dark, ancient light is sometimes seen to bend, its path distorted as it travels across billions of years. Distant galaxies can appear warped, their forms magnified, or even duplicated into ghostly arcs and rings. This strange celestial lensing suggests the passage of that light through a colossal, transparent mass, an invisible object whose gravitational pull is powerful enough to warp the very fabric of space. It is like looking through a flawed cosmic glass, revealing a universe weighted with an unseen substance. Such a substance may not just bend light, but also guide creation on the grandest of scales. Across the cosmos, galaxies are not scattered at random, but are arranged in a magnificent, luminous tapestry of filaments and clusters. The visible matter alone seems insufficient to have formed such a grand structure. Stories from cosmic simulations suggest that this glowing web was built upon an invisible scaffolding, a pre-existing framework of unseen matter that gravity acted upon, gathering the first galaxies into the patterns seen today. Perhaps the entire known universe is built upon an older, darker foundation. While this unseen matter pulls inward, another mystery pushes outward. When gazing into the farthest reaches of space, a curious motion is observed. The great clusters of galaxies are not merely drifting apart. Their recession seems to be quickening. The very space between them is expanding at an ever-increasing rate, as if propelled by a gentle yet persistent outward pressure. This mysterious influence does not pull on objects directly, but instead acts on the void itself, stretching the cosmic fabric with a silent, inexorable force. This ever-accelerating expansion hints at a profound and quiet fate for the cosmos. If the void continues to grow, a time may come in the far-flung future when the galaxies are pushed so far apart they will vanish from one another's sight. The night sky of that distant age could be a lonely and dark expanse, with all other star cities having receded beyond the cosmic horizon. It is a destiny of increasing isolation, a universe fading into a silent, cold stillness, driven by an energy that seems to spring from nothingness. Here, a strange dynamic is perceived. The relentless, inward pull of gravity from both seen and unseen matter appears to be in a delicate cosmic balance with the persistent outward push of this expanding void. For eons, these two vast opposing influences have directed the evolution of the cosmos, one building structures and the other stretching the space between them. The fate of everything, from stars to galaxies, rests upon the outcome of this silent, universe-spanning interplay between the great pull of substance and the endless push of the void. A profound duality appears to define the cosmos, a stage for both the brilliant and the unseen. The familiar universe of light and matter may be a small part of a much grander, more mysterious reality. From the unseen mass that holds the stars in their orbits to the strange energy that expands the void. These silent components invite a sense of wonder at the immense hidden forces that have shaped existence and continue to influence its long unfolding story.